How many children do you have?
2.
What are their dates of birth?
What is their birth?
Mm-hmm.
She had one around probably okay.
No. Here's my question. Do you want a jury trial or you want to go forward with this plea agreement?
I just want to get out. I want to get out.
This is going to be my last time. Do you want me to go forward with placing you on probation? That's a yes or no.
Probation.
All right. Then this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's $1,000 fine that'll be probated.
This guy is sitting in court facing up to 20 years in prison for burglary, and you'd think he'd be sweating bullets, right? Nope. He's sitting there grinning, leaning back like he's watching a movie. The confidence, or should I say arrogance, is unreal. And then Judge Boyd asks him the simplest question ever. Do you know your kids' birthdays? He freezes. He can't even answer. Man, if you can't remember your own kids' birthdays while begging for freedom, what does that tell you? People online keep blaming stress or fatigue, but now this is straight-up entitlement. This guy really thinks he's walking out with probation. If I were that judge, with that smug attitude, I'd be handing out 20 years easy. What about you guys? How long would you give him? Let's roll the clip.
Understand you're charged with burglary of a habitation force. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Then to the offense in count 1, paragraph A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? All right, off the record for a moment. Deputy Laura, is he able to move to the other end?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're back on the record. State, do you have any evidence to support the plea?
At this state introduces State's Exhibit 1 and all of its attachments. No objections.
Mr. Farris, I'm showing you what's entitled Wavering Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
No, good.
All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, just that Mr. Ferris is very motivated to do well in this probation, and he asks that the court follows our agreement. The only other thing that I would ask, Judge, is if you would probate the fine. He is indigent.
All right. So, Mr. Farris, if you're released, where would you be living? Do you have a place to stay?
Yes, I do.
All right. So who would you be living with?
My wife.
I'm sorry?
My wife.
All right. Are there any issues?
Not in our communications today, no, ma'am.
All right. Does your wife want you living with her?
Of course. She had to be.
Well, I mean, just because a female may have someone's child, that doesn't necessarily mean that they want them living with them.
I would tell for her.
Well, I mean, again, people can help with children without living with someone.
Mm.
So here's the thing. If you end up seeing your wife and she doesn't want you staying with her, then you can't stay with her.
Okay.
All right. And are you all legally married? Did you go to the courthouse or did you have a ceremony?
When's the courthouse?
Okay.
They don't fit $150 for it.
All right. How many children do you have?
2. She just had them.
Ages?
1 and just had it. The other one, 2 boys.
Okay. What are their dates of birth?
What is their birth?
Mm-hmm.
She had one around probably December. The other one she was at
But no. You're giving me a month, but what is the child's date of birth? If the child, if the child is expecting a birthday gift from you and they want it on their birthday, when would they get it?
See that February, February 3rd. Yeah, somebody on there.
All right, so you're saying February 3rd.
So much apart.
So that's one. So what's the date of birth of the other child? You're gonna have to do better. You understand?
I'll try. I'll try.
All right. That's a tattoo you can get on your arm instead of what you
I
have
was gonna get two tattoos.
with their dates of birth.
Yes, my word.
Like, Seriously, how do you sit in front of a judge facing decades in prison and not even know your own kid's birthday? That's not just forgetful, that's cold. It tells the court exactly where your priorities are, and it's not with your family. Judges see this all the time, and trust me, they don't go easy on it. Knowing your child's birthday isn't some pop quiz, it's basic parenting 101. Being present for your kids doesn't take money or status, it takes effort. Some people try to blame society, stress, or the system. But come on, this right here is about personal accountability. And the way he's sitting there cocky, careless, acting like the world owes him something, you can tell this is not going to end well for him. Let's see how that attitude pays off.
All right, and what is that other tattoo about?
I don't even know. They gave it to me.
Who is they?
Some friends of mine. I don't know. I don't know
When?
none of this. It's probably my because I don't know.
I mean, when did you receive that tattoo?
A long time ago.
Okay. So why were you in this apartment?
I was hoping that my friend moved. I was doing a good deed. I just moved out of his couch and that was it. And she said I took something. I didn't take nothing. All I did was help us move the couch. And that was it, man.
All right, do you want a jury trial?
I just helped the guy out moving. I just got
No. Here's my question. Do you want a jury trial or you want to go forward with this plea agreement?
I just want to get out.
No, I mean, do you want to have a jury trial or do you want to go forward with this plea? Because if you want a jury trial, then we will give you a jury trial, quick, fast, in a hurry. It won't be today.
I know that. But with
So-
for this plea, I'll get quick and hurry out.
I'm sorry, what?
With that plea, I'll get quick and hurry out.
Here's the thing. When people think about doing plea agreements and their goal is, I want to get out, there are consequences to all of these cases for entering into pleas. So with this one, it's a criminal conviction. And you're not going to be allowed to have any weapons or ammunition because it's a criminal conviction.
One weapon I have is
Sometimes these pleas affect your ability or impact your ability to obtain an education and receive financial aid. Sometimes it impacts your ability to have certain forms of employment that requires licensing. It affects and impacts your ability to register to vote because you're a convicted felon. You won't be able to register to vote until you are no longer on paper. So if you want to go forward with the plea, the court will place you on probation. If you wish to have a jury trial, then the court will set this for a jury trial. So do you wish to go forward with this plea?
I want the plea. I want to get out. I mean, I'm just would be nutshell for now. He posed with my friend. I didn't even enter the house.
Well, let me just tell you what I've
I
read
was
in
the couch out.
Let me just tell you what I read in the police report. It mentions your good deed, but if you're doing a good deed, you don't accept payment for it. So this is what's in the police report. It says, victim 1 and victim 2 were in the process of moving out of their apartment. Victim 2 asked you, which is described as AP, which stands for arrested person, to help with the move, and he would pay him some money. Arrested person stole victim 2's bicycle and left the location. While victim 1 and victim 2 were out dropping off belongings, the arrested person returned and entered the apartment without victim 1 and victim 2's consent. Arrested person took victim's property out of the apartment and left the location. Arrested person returned for more property and was caught by victim 2. Victim 2 detained arrested person until police arrived. So I will place you on probation. It's completely up to you. But if you want to go to a jury trial, we will give you a jury trial as well. So this is going to be my last time asking you, do you want me to go forward with placing you on probation? That's a yes or no.
Probation.
All right. Then this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's $1,000 fine that'll be probated. Take into consideration 2022 CR 8418. There's to be $500 restitution and no contact. All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Ferris, you need to learn the birth dates of your children. You only have 2. Some people come here, they have 10. And you need to be a better father than them because they're expecting you to be in their life.
Father.
All right?
Oh yeah, great dad, right? because nothing says responsible father like stealing a bike from your friend and then breaking into their house. The best part, though? When Judge Boyd tells him 10 years probated, and he freaks out thinking he just got 10 years in prison. His face said it all pure panic. But here's the twist. Probation means he's free unless he messes up again. So basically it's a second chance. But if I'm being real with that attitude, I give it 6 months before he's back in that same courtroom. Judge Boyd actually showed mercy here. Now it's on him to prove he deserved it. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call, or should he have sent him straight to prison? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it.